Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Guess what I got in the mail today? Got a cook set that I've been looking forward to getting for a little while, and I just want to show you. Talk a little bit about it. I'll show you what it is, tell you what it is, blah blah blah. Alright. You see that? You see what's in that picture? This is called the NULIPAM, something like that. I can't pronounce it. NULIPAM cook set. It's a NULIPAM cook set. You see what's on the picture? Well, that's the picture on the box, but that's not what's in this fucking box. This is not what it's in the box. I was pretty excited to see that because I've wanted a good one, the little gas burner. I wanted a good one, but I can't actually find a good one. So I've been sticking with wood. Yeah. I have already opened this to make sure what, well, you know, after I saw the picture anyway, I opened it to make sure what was in the box was what it's supposed to be. So let's check it out. First of all, it comes with a pretty good little netted bag. Drawstrings. Fits good. It's good and snug in there. And this is what's inside. This is what's inside the bag. Check it out. Damn it. I have this little spoon. There's a wooden spoon in here. I have it set right perfectly up in there, which I just took it out. But anyway, it just snaps right inside. Hear that? It fits very good. Very good. Anyway, inside there's a tiny little wooden spoon. Nice looking little spoon. Pretty nice indeed. 3 tiny little 1 serving, I guess these are bowls. There's 3 of them. Way too small for me, but you know, hey, you can't beat a few little bowls. This you can use either as a pan or a small pot. That's made of aluminum, so it's not like the lightest thing in the world, but it's still good, and it's coated with something, I don't know what it's called, but it has a coating on it inside and out to make it what is it, stick proof? Non-stick is what it's called, non-stick. There's the name of it. Let's get that focused in. Yes. NULIPAM, whatever. The handles are pretty good. I've never actually liked handles like this, but they seem to be pretty good on this one. They're not loose. They don't just wiggle around. They stay into place. It has this coating on it to keep you from burning your hands. Alright. Same thing with this. This has the measurements inside. Same type of handles. It's just bigger. It's just a bigger pot. Good thing is you can use this smaller one as a lid. You can use it as a lid. That is pretty nice. That's one of my favorite things about this. Then there's another little netted bag inside here. Keep it in the bag to keep from scratching up the surface of these pots. Go away, bee. Alright. Inside here, this is supposed to be a ladle. I don't know how well that would work if you're trying to dip out something hot, you know. I don't know how good that would work. but I'm going to give it a try. A little sponge for cleaning everything up. I'll get to that in a minute. Another little bag, pretty nice little bag, and it has your silverware in it. Check that out. I like these a pretty good lot. They fold up. They're you can stash them out of the way. Little slide lock here. Good and sturdy. That's a good sturdy spoon. Same as the fork. And it even has a damn knife. Look at there. Has a knife. And that knife has got a pretty good edge on it already. I don't think I was sharpening it any. You know, using it for cooking. Do not think I was sharpening it any. Put this stuff back. And now, this is my favorite thing about the whole damn set. It's a cook stove. It's a pretty freaking cool little cook stove. I like this cook stove a lot. The way it's made, it's made pretty cool. I love the way it goes together. The way this thing goes together is just like genius. Look at that. And it's made, I know you can't see down in there, but it's made to be almost like a gasifier stove, which it's not a gasifier stove, but it's made to be like one. I don't know if that was intentional or not, but that's just the way it is. It's not a tiny little stove. You know, it's not one of those little tiny ones that you got to fight to put your wood in. It's a good size stove. Got a good size opening here to feed your wood in. You know, I'm not going to burn this, but you know, hey, look at that. That's a decent sized spoon, and it fits in there just fine. Plus, you have your little cross arms. I'll put that together, and it just sits right on top. Sits right on top of there. See that? Pretty nice. That is pretty nice. I didn't think I was going to like it too much when I first saw it, but after I took it apart, or I took it out the bag and put it together, I like it. I like it pretty damn good. I actually like it pretty good indeed. I've been looking for a stove. I've been looking for a little camp stove, something that was small, compactable, and there it is. Size of a cup. That's nice, ain't it? That's very nice. NULIPAM, Nuli something, NULIPAM. It's about $32 on Amazon. I'll put the link below in the description. I'm not trying to tell you, hey, go out and buy one of these, but if you're new to bushcrafting, or you just trying to put you a cheap bag together, I believe this would be the way I would go anyway. 32 bucks, you have something to cook with, you have a little stove, you got your bowls to cook out of, a spoon, you got your silverware. That's a cooking spoon. Got your silverware for about 32 bucks. That's pretty good. That's pretty damn good. It is pretty good indeed. I enjoy this. I'm going to enjoy it. Alright, well, I'm out of here. I'm going to be putting these things to the test this weekend, and I will probably post another video, so come on back. See how it does.